guys. I'm headed up to get my hair cut. We're already up in the Bronx, and once again I have my own train subway car all to myself. You're still under the weather, you still hear the congestion. Definitely not feeling 100%. I don't feel terrible, but I'm not feeling 100% for sure. Last week, when the vlog ended, I was in the midst of a streak of 10 consecutive days on the ice skating in some capacity. Today's day 8. So, is it 8? No, today's day 9. Reffing tonight, I got practice tomorrow, and then Thanksgiving on Thursday. But as you can see, I definitely need my haircut. It's been so long with my schedule, I just haven't had a chance to get it cut. I don't see them working up there, so it's hard to see the progress. It's all covered, but I feel much better with my haircut. They're on their last game. It's 10 o'clock. I only ref one game, which kind of stinks. The dreaded single game to come all the way up here for one, but it's better than nothing. But it was unseasonably warm today. It was close to 60. It may have even hit 60 degrees. But tonight, after the sun goes down, it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful night for do anything really, but play hockey or ref hockey. I'm walking home, which take me 45 minutes, and back on one more day. Today was 9 straight. Tomorrow is number 10 in a row of being on the ice, and then Thanksgiving. It's got to be a traffic helicopter. It's the night before Thanksgiving, and there's so much traffic in the city just as I'm walking up to the rink. You can tell we're on Gridlock alert. 10th day in a row. Going up, we got one more practice before Thanksgiving tomorrow. We're actually headed out in the morning tomorrow. I think the traffic is going to be a lot of traffic tonight, and then or tomorrow, kind of early afternoonish. So hopefully it won't be too bad tomorrow, but you never know. Anyway, 10th day in a row today. For some reason, I'm still not feeling 100%. I feel like I got worse overnight. Just trying to fight through it. Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving Day. I didn't take any footage today or last night, mostly because I'm just really not feeling well. Yesterday, for some reason, took a turn for the worse. And today I was not feeling well. In fact, I had to take a nap out at Thanksgiving. I went out to New Jersey where we had a bunch of family get together, so it was really nice, except for I wasn't 100%. But it's about 9 p.m. now. Just got back home, and I'm trying to get some sleep tonight. Hey guys, I'm back at the train station going up to Connecticut for a family thing. I've been really sick. It's the reason that there hasn't been a lot of footage this week. Yesterday I just was in bed all day, so I'm trying to recover. It's Sunday morning. You could hear in my voice that I'm still very much under the weather. I actually feel a little bit better today than I did the past few days. Especially Friday was the worst. I was in bed all day. Yesterday I was up in Connecticut at that family thing, and last night I started feeling a little bit better. I'm still very congested. Today I'm feeling a little bit better, but still not 100%. Got some stuff that I've got to do today, so I've got to leave my bed and my house. So we'll see if we'll get some footage today. But we'll see how I feel. More importantly, hopefully I'll continue to feel better, and the congestion will start to go away. Sorry this week's video is not that long, guys, but I just was not feeling well and could not get a lot of content, could not get a lot of footage, so going to have a better video next week, but thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. We all have a lot to be thankful for.